A Career Exploration Website Guide 1. Chapter 1. A Career Exploration Website Guide 1. Career Planning at thebalancecareers.com/career-planning-4161894. Useful free info. Free job ebook called Design Your Next Steps. careereducation.columbia.edu/site/dines%20single%sign20page%sign20form.pdf. careereducation.columbia.edu/career-exploration/career-assessments. mycollegeguide.org is a good way to search for a career. mycollegeguide.org. mycollegeguide.org/online-colleges. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees. mycollegeguide.org/career-opportunities. mycollegeguide.org/blog. mycollegeguide.org/blog/category/adult-learners. mycollegeguide.org/blog/category/choosing-a-college. mycollegeguide.org/blog/category/choosing-a-major. mycollegeguide.org/blog/category/paying-for-college/financial-aid. mycollegeguide.org/blog/category/online-degrees. mycollegeguide.org/blog/category/online-education. mycollegeguide.org/blog/category/preparing-for-college. mycollegeguide.org/blog/category/vocational-school. penfoster.edu/career-school/all-programs. ashworthcollege.edu/career-school. idahoatwork.com. bls.gov. Career and college major ideas from mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees. Majors and degrees. Accounting, Art and Design, Business Administration, Communications, Computer Science, Counseling, Criminal Justice, Education, Engineering, English, Finance, Healthcare Administration, Information Technology, Marketing, Nursing, Political Science, Psychology, Religion/theology/ministry. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/accounting. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/art-and-design. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/business-administration. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/communications. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/computer-science. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/criminal-justice. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/counseling. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/education-teaching. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/engineering. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/English. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/finance. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/healthcare. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/information-technology. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/marketing. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/nursing. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/political-science. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/psychology. mycollegeguide.org/online-degrees/theology. mycollegeguide.org/online-photography-classes. mycollegeguide.org/online-exercise-science-degree. mycollegeguide.org/online-medical-school. mycollegeguide.org/online-game-design-degree. mycollegeguide.org/project-management-courses-online. mycollegeguide.org/law. mycollegeguide.org/accounting. mycollegeguide.org/architecture, mycollegeguide.org/art-and-design, mycollegeguide.org/biology, mycollegeguide.org/business-administration, mycollegeguide.org/communications, mycollegeguide.org/computer-science, mycollegeguide.org/counseling, mycollegeguide.org/criminal-justice, mycollegeguide.org/culinary-arts, mycollegeguide.org/cyber-security-courses-online, mycollegeguide.org/economics, mycollegeguide.org/education-teaching, mycollegeguide.org/engineering, mycollegeguide.org/English, mycollegeguide.org/finance, mycollegeguide.org/general-studies, mycollegeguide.org/graphic-design, mycollegeguide.org/healthcare, mycollegeguide.org/history, mycollegeguide.org/human-resources, mycollegeguide.org/information-technology, mycollegeguide.org/online-ed-degree, mycollegeguide.org/journalism, mycollegeguide.org/liberal-arts, mycollegeguide.org/marketing, mycollegeguide.org/mathematics, mycollegeguide.org/nursing, mycollegeguide.org/nutrition, mycollegeguide.org/political-science, mycollegeguide.org/psychology, mycollegeguide.org/science, mycollegeguide.org/social-work, mycollegeguide.org/theology, mycollegeguide.org/vocational-training, mycollegeguide.org/online-web-design-programs, mycollegeguide.org/real-estate-classes-online, mycollegeguide.org/online-health-science-degree, mycollegeguide.org/top-12-online-healthcare-degrees, mycollegeguide.org/do-with-psychology-degree, mycollegeguide.org/what-is-online-education, mycollegeguide.org/online-certificate-programs, bls.gov/o/occupation-finder.htm, mycollegeguide.org/articles, UK career exploration websites, thecareersgroup.co.uk, prospects.ac.uk, graduate-level careers information, drjob.co.uk, wide-ranging careers information, careerswales.com, careers-scotland.org.uk, Northern Ireland, exa.org.uk, England, nextstep.org.uk, UK Learning Advice, learndirect.co.uk, sagepub.co.uk/resources/career-counseling.pdf, supportforlearning.org.uk/careers/advisors.htm, prospects.ac.uk, easy-to-access alphabetical listings of occupations, connections.gov.uk/jobs4u/catalog.cfm, information on wide range of jobs, from bricklayer to brain surgeon, learndirect-futures.co.uk, graduatecareers.hobsons.co.uk, graduate careers information about employers and jobs, trotman.co.uk, click the careers portal link for career information, worktrain.gov.uk, UK government site giving information on childcare and voluntary opportunities, waytolearn.co.uk, UK government site with information on qualifications needed for different careers, ukcoursefinder.com, comprehensive higher education directory, drjob.co.uk, wide-ranging careers information, channel4.com/brilliantcareers, career information, jobs.guardian.co.uk, a mixture of vacancy information and careers advice. nomizweb.co.uk. Regional employment and labour market information in the UK. statistics.gov.uk. Labour market data detailed by industry, full and part-time jobs. insidecareers.co.uk. Information and job vacancies in IT and related areas. monster.co.uk. International and UK job vacancies. careersforleaders.com. Vacancies in the public and not-for-profit sectors. fishforjobs.co.uk. Broad-based vacancies. gizajob.com. Broad database of vacancies in UK and worldwide. Career planning websites at jobstars.com/career-planning-sites. careerexplorer.com. careeronestop.org. careermaze.com. joebehaviors.com. bls.gov/o. onetonline.org. pymetrics.com. thecareerproject.org. upscored.com. Chapter 2. A Career Exploration Website Guide to Job Description Websites. careerigniter.com/careers, careerigniter. jobhero.com/job-descriptions, jobhero. Information on hundreds of common job titles. nextadvocate.com/careers, nextadvocate. Directory of job descriptions. whatforwork.com/jobs, whatforwork. careers.stateuniversity.com, solid for career articles and job descriptions. You can tell when somebody working there is lazy or they try to build a good career website. They got a lot of career descriptions here and they didn't just take them all from the BLSO. It's a huge free website. Pretty good job descriptions and websites at the dead website web.archive.org/web/20190427002841/http://allstarjobs.com/careers. They cover these fields. Click on a field, they give you a number of job titles. Click on one of them and you get a description plus several websites at the end about that field. Accounting, administration, advertising, agriculture, anthropology, architecture, arts, crafts, and leisure, automotive, marine and aviation, biological, career skills, communication, communications, computer-aided design, CAD, computer networking, counseling, craftsmanship, criminal justice, culinary arts and pastry, dentistry and orthodontics, e-business/e-commerce, engineering design, environmental science, equipment repair, family and consumer, fashion design, finance, geography, graphic design, health and human services, health and nursing, high school, history, hospitality management, HVAC, electrical, construction, information technology, interior design, international business, international studies, journalism, language, law enforcement, management, management and administration, marketing, mathematics, medical administration, medical and pharmaceutical, medical assisting and nursing, multimedia and web design, music, paralegal, personal trainer, philosophy, photography and journalism, physical, psychology, public, residency programs, science technologies, social sciences, teaching, technologies, theater, theology, transportation, visual arts, job and college info from info.rpi.edu/career-development/resources-tools/number sign additional resources, Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute. info.rpi.edu/career-development/resources-tools, some free job info at this page like resumes, interviews, etc. Focus2career.com. info.parkerdewey.com/rpi, micro internships through Parker Dewey. rpi.interviewsteam.com, interview stream. Practice video mock interview. Apartments.com, apartments.com. coopercooper.com/rentalfaq.aspx, Cooper & Cooper Real Estate. rentalfaqs/nyc. escapeartist.com, escapeartist.com. Live overseas. homefair.com, homefair.com. jumpoffcampus.com, jumpoffcampus.com. sublet.com, sublet.com. jobsearchintelligence.com/NAE/salary-calculator-intro, NAE salary calculator. stats.bls.gov/bls/wages.htm, occupational outlook handbook. swz.salary.com/mybenefits/layouts/cripts/mbfl_start.asp, salary.com. Cost of living resources. bestplaces.net/cost-of-living, bestplaces.net. Salary comparison between two cities. money.cnn.com, CNN cost of living calculator. nerdwallet.com/cost-of-living-calculator, nerdwallet. salaryexpert.com, wsj.com salary calculator. info.rpi.edu/advising-learning-assistance/advising/number sign pre-med-ICL on pre-health advising with ALAC. info.rpi.edu/graduate-education/funding-your-graduate-studies, Rensselaer-specific and outside resources. nsf.gov/funding/pgm_summ.jsp?pims_id=5517, National Science Foundation, research experiences for undergraduates. naceweb.org/career-development/organizational-structures/principles-for-ethical-professional-practice, Principles for Employment Professionals developed by the National Association of Colleges and Employers.